binary tree label or a traversal, we'd be given our binary tree its root. We need to give the output of the tree's value label by label. At first we're going to print the root, then its first child, all of its first child, then continue to the next level. So for this one the output would be like 1 and then 10 and 11, then 100, 101, 105 and 107. For this one it's going to be 3 and then 9, 20 and then it's another one is going to be 15 and 7. So if we want to solve this problem recursively, first of all we need to define some cases, like if it's null we need to return also just empty array, and which was the edge case. And if we jump into the code it will be much more clear that I have defined here. If the root is null we're going to simply return the empty array, and the final result we are using as it's at least have some value, so we are inserting the root, and after that, and assuming that the root is level 0, and after that we'll be adding a level. So actually to solve any tree problem recursively we can call a helper function, which will actually, this method actually going to solve all the things for us. And within this method we have checked if the root is null, we are just returning it. And as we have the label here, so we can insert the current value of the trees node into that specific label. And after that we are just going to recursive call to its left and right child, and we'll be passing the label. As we pass the label parameter we can easily track where to insert that the left and right child. That's all. Hope you have got the sense. Just try it yourself, and if you extract then you can see the course here. Thank you.